Namaste, welcome to the online English class. Well, my dear friend, today I am going to teach you the chapter My Childhood, written by APJ Abdul Kalam. My Childhood. In class 8, you have already read about APJ Abdul Kalam, the famous poem, My Mother. Into that poem, you have learned that how laborious the child, as a child, APJ Abdul Kalam was. This very extract, this very chapter, it is an extract. It is an extract taken from Wings of Fire. It is an extract taken from his book Wings of Fire. Wings of Fire. तो ये जो है एक्सट्रैक्ट है माई चाइल्डहुड, द वेरी माई चाइल्डहुड, इट इज एन एक्सट्रैक्ट that is taken from his famous book Wings on Fire. So far APJ Abdul Kalam, APJ Abdul Kalam was our loving president, and he was a scientist as well. He was a scientist as well. He was called Missile Man of India. He was called Missile Man of India. Come on, take out page number 68. My Childhood. Here, first of all, there are some questions that I want to ask you. That can you think about any scientist who have also been a statesman? A statesman is what? Politician. A statesman is the person. He was President of India, and he came to Patna as well. He came to DAV BSAB Patna, and we, the entire school, had visited that campus. There we met the simpleton person. He was such a simpleton person that so far as the poem you have read, into that poem you have read that during the war days, when the food was scarce and life was difficult, during that time he used to help his brother, used to sell newspaper. You see, just see, being a middle class, a simple man, a middle class man, a simple man like me, a simple man like you. His father was a florist living in Rameshwaram Temple estate. So here in this chapter, what he hits upon, this is what? It is an autobiographical piece. It is an autobiographical piece. It is an autobiographical It is an autobiography. Autobiography is the history that is written by oneself. My childhood. Who is the narrator? APJ Abdul Kalam. So he is the storyteller. So if you are talking about you, if you are writing about you, that is known as an autobiography. So the present story, My Childhood, is an autobiographical piece. It is an autobiography of APJ Abdul Kalam. Abdul Kalam. The scientist, the statesman, the president, and the missile man of the India. It is an autobiography written by APJ Abdul Kalam, our loving president, a statesman, and a scientist, and he is also known as Missile Man of India. Known as Missile Man of India. Man of India. There you see. So this is the My Childhood. APJ Abdul Kalam, whose project in space, defense and nuclear technology guided India into the 21st century, became 11th president in 2022. 2002. Here you see. That APJ Abdul Kalam whose projects in space, and nuclear guided India into the 21st century, into the 21st century. Here you see. APJ Abdul Kalam, whose projects in space and nuclear technology guided India into its first century. Here you see, and that is why he became president in 2002. 11th president. 11th. He was the 11th president. He was elected 11th president of India in 2002. Okay. In this autobiography, Wings of Fire, I told you that the very chapter, My Childhood, is an autobiography taken from his famous novel, Wings of Fire. कौन से नॉवल से लिया गया था? Wings of Fire. Here you see. It was taken from Wings of Fire. Wings of Fire. This is the novel. And that very story, My Childhood, is taken from this novel, where he speaks about his experience in childhood. Is it okay? Is it okay or not? Now let us see. Now, APJ Abdul Kalam, whose project in space and in nuclear technology guided India into the 21st century. The very story My Childhood is derived or taken from his novel Wings of Fire. He was the 11th president. He elected 11th president in 2002. Now come to the chapter. Here you see. Now come to the chapter. What is said? Neither much famous educationist nor much wealth. Zainul Abidin, his father. See, his father was neither having much education nor much wealth, but only possessed the greatest wisdom. The true generosity of his spirit, simple, strict, and avoided all the incense, comforts, and luxuries. Here you see. Here the role of his father, both parents, because the very impact of her mother was so great. That is why he has written the poem My Mother. In class 8 you have read it. That very poem is also taken from the book Wings of Fire. So here you see, I was born into the middle class Tamil. APJ Abdul Kalam. It tells about, if the story starts with I, it means it is an autobiography. So the present story is an autobiography. In the island town of Rameshwaram, in the erstwhile Madras state, it was a state of Madras, Rameshwaram. The temple of Rameshwaram is known to us. It is one of the famous temples of India, and many thousands and thousands of pilgrimage every year visits to that temple. It's a very famous temple, Rameshwaram. Madras. My father, Jalaluddin, had neither much formal education. Here the formal education means what? Not much education. Formal education is the education that you join the school, you get the degree, you go to the university. These are called formal educations. But he had no formal education, nor much wealth. Wealth means what? Property. उनके पास पैसा भी नहीं था. Despite these disadvantage, कौन disadvantage थे उसमें? Here you see. The disadvantage. The disadvantages was what? much wealth, neither much formal education, neither much neither much formal education, number one. Number two, nor much wealth, Here you see, these are the two disadvantages. Not moral, neither for much formal education nor much wealth. In spite of these two big disadvantage, he possesses great innate wisdom. Innate is what? Inborn. Innate means inborn. Please note down. Innate. Innate means inborn. Gifted. Inborn quality. Innate wisdom and a true generosity of the spirit. Here you see the quality. What was the quality? The quality that he possesses. What is one? Innate wisdom. Number two, true generosity. And ideal helpmate. In his wife. Here you see. These are the quality. In spite of two disadvantages, education and wealth, neither formal education nor much wealth. These were the biggest hurdle, but in spite of these two disadvantages, he had these three gifted things. Innate wisdom, true generosity of his spirit, true generosity of the spirit, ideal helpmate in his wife. So here you see about regarding his father. I do not recall the exact number of the people she fed every day, but I am quite certain that far more outsider ate with us than all the members of our own family put together. Here in this paragraph, APJ Abdul Kalam is talking about his mother's generosity. In fact, his mother was a truly religious lady. She was a truly religious lady. And you see, that what she used to, she used to feed outsider every day. This is, you see, the quality that her mother was. Look at it. her mother was a kind-hearted religious lady. Kind-hearted religious lady. How you could say that? Here you see, every day, what he more than ate with us than all the members of the family. This is the first paragraph. Here in the first paragraph, the narrator has introduced his father and mother. His father and mother. Here the role of the parents. You see, dear friends, the role of our parents in our life is very important. And whatever they do, their doings have impact. Their doings have impact in our life. हमारे उनके कर्मों का जो फल होता है हमारे जीवन पर बहुत ज्यादा होता है. They doing, if they do good deed, the impact of their doing will have a good imprint on it. So dear friend, if something is going good, it is due to your parents. Why? Because they are doing good for the people of the society. And they are what they are? They are doing good. They are doing good for whom? The role of a parents, here the role of parents are very important. In the very first paragraph, we read about father and mother. Father was what? Had two disadvantages, education and money. Neither formal education nor much money. But in spite of that, he was strict, he was honest, and he had true generosity. And he had true generosity. For what? For those people who work for him. So, here in the paragraph number 1, we have read about these things. Now come to the paragraph number 2. Come to the paragraph number 2. Para 2. Yes? If you have any problem in paragraph number 1, you may ask to me. किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो वो बताएगा हमको. पैराग्राफ 1 में कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो बताइए. यस. पैराग्राफ नंबर 1 का कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो बताएंगे आप. कम ऑन फास्ट, जल्दी बताएं. अगर आपका पैराग्राफ नंबर 1 में कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो हमको बताएंगे, सो दैट आई कुड स्टार्ट पैराग्राफ नंबर 2. पारा 2 को हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे. Let us start para 2. I was one of my children, many children. I was one of many children. Here you see. A short boy with rather undistinguished look. a short boy with undistinguished here you see what he's talking about. He is talking about what? Here he is talking about here the narrator is talking about his personality. A short boy with undistinguished look. See, look hardly matters. Size hardly matters. Here, a very small height. Lal Bahadur Shastri, the famous, our living Prime Minister, was of very short height. So here, he was a short boy with a distinguished look. So here, my dear friend, size of a person hardly matters. Here, born to a tall and handsome parents, उनके जो फादर और मदर थे, they were tall and handsome. In paragraph number 2, he was one of the many children. बहुत सारे बच्चे थे. उसकी हाइट जो थी वो बहुत ही छोटी थी, undistinguished. But his parents were tall and handsome. उनके जो फादर और मदर जो थे वो क्या थे? Tall and handsome. We lived our ancestral house. Ancestor से बना ancestral house. Where they lived? They lived in ancestral house. Here you see. Lived in ancestral house. A-N-C. Ancestral house. Here you see. Ancestral house में रहते थे. They lived in ancestral house, which was built in middle of the 19th century. It was fairly large pakka house made of limestone and brick on the Mosque Street in Rameshwaram. The temple and the mosque. You see the Indian culture. Here in this paragraph, the narrator APJ Abdul Kalam has beautifully described about the Indian culture and tradition. Mosque and temple had side by side. This is the beauty of Indian culture. There was a Rameshwaram. There was a Rameshwaram temple and a mosque, a masjid in the street. So this is what we show. What it shows? Secularism. India is a secular state. Hindu and Muslims are brother and sisters. They are the same part of the same gram. एक ही चना का दो टुकड़ा है, एक हिंदू है एक मुस्लिम है. Root is one. We all are Indians. We all are Indians. My ostrich father used to avoid. Here you see the word ostrich father. Another word, ostrich, A-U-S, 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 T-E-R-E, simple, simple and strict. Simple and strict. You see, ostrich father was simple but was very strict. Used to avoid all the inessential comforts and luxury. Ancestral house is made up in the middle of the country. It was fairly large. So here you see that the discipline, the simplicity and the discipline. The statement what? Discipline. Here the two qualities that transferred to APJ Abdul Kalam from his father. Like here you see, if somebody is great, it is due to what? It is due to his inner quality. The quality that his parents possess. So here, the quality that his parents possess, that he lived